Hey there, fellow travelers! Welcome to Zondi Land, your ultimate travel guide for exploring the world one adventure at a time. I'm Dan, your travel buddy, and I'm so excited to take you on this journey with me. Wow! Island hopping around Lubang Island in Occidental Mindoro offers a captivating blend of natural beauty, cultural heritage, and outdoor adventure. The Lubang group of islands comprises Lubang, Ambi, Golo, and Cabra, each presenting unique experiences for travelers. So, yung next stop natin, pupunta tayo sa Sandbar. Sa first time ko malaman may sandbar pala dito sa amin. Amazing! May sandbar pala dito sa amin. Wow! Butas Sandbar is a captivating natural attraction located in the municipality of Looc on Lubang Island, Occidental Mindoro. This ephemeral sandbar emerges during low tide, revealing a stretch of fine white sand surrounded by clear, shallow waters. The sandbar boasts powdery white sand, providing a picturesque setting for visitors. The surrounding shallow waters are transparent and calm, ideal for wading and observing marine life. The sandbar is also visible only during low tide, adding to its allure as it disappears beneath the waves during high tide. So, ito, natutuwa kasi first time ko makapunta dito and first time ko malaman meron palang sandbar near our place. So, hindi ko alam yung anong tawag dito sa island na ito. But ito, it's a sandbar. Oh, ganda. Ano to? So, yung sand dito is golden brown din. May mga pebbles. Ano, feel ko nasa ibang lugar ako pero nasa sariling lugar ako. Ang galing. Medyo may flat na area dito na may mountains. Medyo madumi lang. Daming kalat. Butas Sandbar is situated off the coast of Looc in Lubang Island. Access typically involves a boat ride from the mainland to the sandbar. During low tide, it's advisable to coordinate with local boat operators or tour guides who are familiar with the tidal patterns to plan a visit. Hindi ako makapaniwala may ganito sa sandbar. Anong tawag dito sa island na to? Ito yung butas? Oo, ito yung butas yung tinatawag. Galing. Ngayon ko lang nalaman may ganito dito. Lumalaki pa ako. Kaya nga, pag mas low tide sa naman tayo sa pupong. Pulong Kambing, located in Looc, Occidental Mindoro, is a small, uninhabited island known for its natural beauty and serene environment. The island features unique rock formations and clear waters, making it an appealing destination for nature enthusiasts and those seeking a tranquil retreat. The surrounding areas offer trails that lead to scenic viewpoints and other secluded beaches, perfect for hiking enthusiasts. Medyo madami lang basura doon. Ang ganda. So yun, doon tayo aakyat pa sa doon. Ang ganda dito, promise. Surrounding the island are clear waters, suitable for swimming and snorkeling, offering opportunities to observe marine life. Akyat pa tayo. Galing nung ano dito, yung mga damo. Yung inaapakan lamang. Ganda. But the view. This is my first time here. Grabe, nakikita ko rin. Paligid, ang ganda. Yay! Dito na tayo. Look at this view. Kahit saan ka umarap, sobrang ganda. Pababa na kami. Sobrang ganda dito. Babae po lang. Pulong Kambing.
Pulong Kambing is accessible via boat from the town of Looc in Occidental Mindoro.
Bye-bye, Pulong Kambing. Ang ganda mo.
Visitors can arrange boat trips through local operators or accommodations in Looc. Tubahin Beach, located near the southeastern end of Lubang Island in Looc, Occidental Mindoro, is a serene coastal destination renowned for its unique granitic rock formations and clear turquoise waters. Tubahin Beach is accessible by a scenic drive from the town of Looc. Visitors can arrange transportation through local accommodations or the Looc Municipal Hall. The journey offers picturesque views of the island's countryside leading to the secluded beach area.
Dito na tayo sa Tubahin. Yung mga rock formations. Yan. So lalakad tayo doon. Then papunta tayo doon. Doon yung maraming rock formations.
The beach is distinguished by impressive gigantic granitic rocks that emerge from the shoreline and extend into the sea, creating a picturesque landscape. These formations are relatively rare in the Philippines, adding to the beach's unique charm.
Meron ang tatanaw na beach. Doon talaga yung pinakapaliguan. Pero bago ka pumunta doon, pinadaanan ka mo ng mga rock formations. Yes! Yay! Uwak na yung kasama. So this is Tubahin Beach. Tapos doon pa, marami pa itong magaganda beach. Pero kailangan ng bangkain. Let's swim!
The crystal clear turquoise waters surrounding the rock formations provide excellent opportunities for swimming and snorkeling, allowing visitors to explore the vibrant marine life.
Dito sa Tubahin Beach. Pa-sunset is a magandang time here. Kasi golden hour. Wala masyadong tao. Yun, perfect.
Tubahin Beach remains relatively untouched by mass tourism, offering a tranquil environment ideal for relaxation and solitude. Cansulit Beach is a secluded coastal gem located on the southeastern coast of Lubang Island in Looc, Occidental Mindoro. This tranquil beach is renowned for its expansive shoreline adorned with fine golden sand, offering visitors a serene retreat away from the crowded tourist spots.
Yan. So today mag-island hopping kami. Punta kami dun sa mga gandang beaches dito sa Looc. Ayun yung boat na sasakyan namin. Nasa gitna. Ito, wala pa talagang mga organized tour. Nag-rent lang kami ng private boat. So hopefully mapakita namin sa inyo ang ganda ng Looc. Sila yung boat namin.
Cansulit Beach is situated southeast of Tubahin Beach, extending towards the southeastern tip of Lubang Island. Access to the beach is primarily by boat. There are no direct roads leading to this hidden paradise. The beach boasts a long stretch of fine golden sand, ideal for leisurely walks, sunbathing, and beach combing.
So this is Cansulit Beach. As you can see, dami tayong rock formations here. Ito naman yung beach side. So white sand, actually brown. White, brown, parang gold. And then coarse yung sand, pero pwede kayong mag-apak. Maganda surfing. Let's try and take a dip. So very clear yung water dito. Konting may mga corals na dito. Pwede ditong mag-snorkeling.
The inviting crystal clear waters are perfect for swimming and snorkeling, providing a glimpse into the vibrant marine life of the area.
Ito yung underdeveloped talaga siya. May mga konting kumpo dito pero makikira naman ito. Ito baka gagawin pa lang ito. So sila yung caretaker, may babayaran lang. May source ng fresh water naman. Dito nawawala ng tubig.
Due to its relatively remote location, Cansulit Beach offers a peaceful environment, making it an excellent spot for relaxation and solitude. The beach is near fascinating rock formations, adding to its natural beauty and offering picturesque spots for photography. Visitors should note that the beach has minimal facilities, so it's advisable to bring necessary supplies if planning an extended stay.
Alis na kami.
Palanas Beach is a serene coastal destination located in Barangay Agkawayan within the municipality of Looc on Lubang Island, Occidental Mindoro. This beach is known for its natural beauty and tranquil environment, making it an ideal spot for relaxation and leisure.
Morning! So, ito is ang mga pwedeng gawin every morning. Maglakad. Ito yung Palanas Beach. So, dahil amihan, medyo may basura from dagat. Ito naman yung buhangin dito, medyo brownish. Pero fine din siya. So yung mountain na yan is Mount Ampil. Or the Ampil Islands din.
Palanas Beach offers a stretch of sandy shoreline suitable for sunbathing and beach activities. The beach is complemented by clear waters, providing opportunities for swimming and snorkeling. The area around Palanas Beach is characterized by natural landscapes, offering a peaceful retreat from urban life. Finally, Binacas Beach. Binacas Beach is located in Barangay Binacas on Lubang Island, Occidental Mindoro, is a serene coastal destination known for its natural beauty and tranquil environment.
So dito tayo sa Binacas Picnic Grove. So ito yung pinakadagat. So may mga bakas-bakas siya ng paa kaya siya tinawag na Binacas. So ito ay natural formation. Andito ako ngayon sa Binacas Cave, Punta Cave. Kaya lang since walang footwear, hindi ako makapunta. Pero ang ganda rin dito. Clear waters, dami din green. Yun, medyo ang problema is medyo mabato. Mas maganda if may proper footwear kayo. Pero ang ganda rin dito.
The beach features a blend of sandy shores and rocky formations, offering visitors a picturesque setting for relaxation and exploration. The pristine waters are suitable for swimming and snorkeling, allowing guests to experience the local marine life. The Binacas Picnic Grove, developed by the local government, offers picnic facilities including tables and barbecue areas, making it ideal for family gatherings and group outings. The dry season from December to May is ideal for island hopping with sunny weather and calm seas enhancing the experience. Access to the islands is primarily by boat, with services available from ports like Tilik in Lubang and Agkawayan in Looc. While options are limited, there are beachfront cottages and local guest houses that provide a comfortable stay, often offering guided tours for island hopping. Embarking on an island hopping adventure in the Lubang Islands allows travelers to experience a blend of natural wonders, historical intrigue, and cultural richness, all set within the serene landscapes of the Philippines. This is On The Land, your favorite travel buddy. Thanks for watching!